slime video. And first we use this. And
it's white glue.
And you first add this, and then we use this, which
Foam
comes next.
Comes
then
after
we added
Staflo.
this.
Staflo.
And then you after added this, and then we use this.
But white.
At the very end, and then we use the white, and
Then
then
we use
last.
I use gold glitter.
I use pink, and we add this and the clay all at the very end.
No, the foam beads were after the glue.
I know. I said butter and glitter.
So now let's do all the tests. First, clear this face off.
Face off.
And we showed you where all the stuff was on a different video. So let's do a quick test. Me first. Shh, shh, shh. Make sure everything's quiet in your house.
My turn. My turn.
All right, time for bubble. No, Instagram story.
Okay.
Always. And when you do Instagram story, when you see like lines in it, slime, you swirl it like this.
Absolutely.
Ta-da! This is my Instagram swirl.
Then here's my Instagram swirl.
Pick it up.
No.
All right,
Here's mine.
Now time for bubble.
Bubble's always last because the bubble's hard.
Wait up! Hey, it's a little itsy bitsy bubble. That was an itsy bitsy is medium. That was an itsy bitsy bubble.
We cannot make a bubble with this slime because it's butter slime. And
It
look,
has foam beads.
look.
No, here's the real butter.
Yeah, and that's the end of the video.
Nuh-uh. I'm going to get a butter knife. Hold on.
Can you get two?
Yes.
Two. And then next video we're going to do a room tour. Hey, is this the butter knife lady?
Yes. White.
This is mine.
That's not how I do it. All right, so you cut.
Then you say. This is how I do it. Spreading, and spreading. Ta-da! Okay, next video we're going to do
A room tour.
in every single room we have in our house. And that's the end of the vlog. So
Make sure to
bye.
like, subscribe, and share.